Shaira, we can go into another road, main road, another side. Let's go to another side. Okay, basta. Not easy to walk, but you need change shoes. You can change shoes later. Maybe here better for you. So we can try to go to new restaurant, Filipino restaurant. What you want? Ah, okay, you can ask. No. is already Filipino restaurant. It's maybe 2 weeks ago opened. We can take a look. Tattoo have, tattoo salon. What is this? Beauty salon, clothes. Bar. I don't know what is this. Ah, yes, inside. Filipino restaurant. Open it already? No can open. Try to open door because I use camera. Filipino restaurant new? Okay, we want to go to take a look. Okay, so Shaira, let's go inside. А this is menu. Tapsilok, long silok, chick silok. So you just add silok already. Beef silok maybe. No, yes, for me chick silok. But here very hot. Very hot. I don't know how to sit here. Don't have aircon.
Chicken silog. Chicken silog. Chicken silog.
Don't have? Have? Sit only here. It's because it's very hot here. Outside don't have space for sit.
So hi, we're here in Filipino restaurant here in Walking Street. So we order tapsilog and chicken silog. It's chicken and with tosilog, tapsilog. So let's eat.
So good for you.
It's good. The rice is good. The food is good. For Filipino, it's better. And if you want not so expensive and you want some simple food, that's better here. You can eat here. But also have another food here, Filipino food here. Same like bulalo, sinigang, and caldereta, acritada have also here, so that they can cook here for you and for us here. So that's it.
Also now it's not hot. This way use aircon. This is aircon and have a fan, electric fan. So before I entrance to here and I feel hot. But because don't have people and many and turn off, but now already good and not so noisy like outside. So we can recommend this restaurant who want to sit near Walking Street and eat not expensive because really it's 100 peso for one order menu. No, from 100 peso. It's minimum is 100 peso. Maximum about 520 is maximum.
It's already
Yes, it's grilled. Yes, shrimp.
shrimp.
So thank you for watching. Why I say thank you for watching? We can walk also in Walking Street. After we finish it, we can walk in Walking Street and show to Walking Street little bit. Bar on second floor, so noisy. Shaira, wait, you can say. Shaira, what you say about this restaurant?
It's good food there. I can recommend it. Really, really.
Shaira said recommended.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.